Hello and welcome to Ratesmiths video tutorials. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use the space and budget calculator to find out how much your office fit out will cost you, or to find out how many staff you can fit into a predetermined space size, or how to find out the size of office you will need based on the number of staff you have. There are a number of ways to do this. Initially, we will start off by selecting that yes, you do have a space budget that you are working to. With this, we are going to go for $500,000 for the budget. How many staff would you like to accommodate? Well, we know that we are 50 staff. Obviously, I'm assuming numbers here. You'll better know your brief. And then most recently, what's become apparent with companies is the occupancy levels that they are looking to achieve based on flexible working, work from home. So there's a number of options here. You Between 60 to 80% is kind of typical at the moment. You'll have a better understanding of where you will sit. If you're unsure, just go with 100%. And then we look at the people per square meter range. 10 square meters per person is an Australian standard, and most buildings will be built to accommodate one person per 10 square meters. In buildings where you're looking to push to 1 to 8 square meters or one person to 5 square meters, you'll need to look at the mechanical systems to make and the fire egress to make sure that they are set to accommodate that density. For us at the moment, we'll go standard. As I mentioned, it's an Australian standard, one person per 10 square meters. And then very quickly, you get a breakdown of your budget, your number of staff at 70% occupancy, and the space type. We've gone for standard. You can budget up to $1,429 per square meter, and you would require 350 square meters based on the details provided. Down below, we provide some insight into what that dollar per square meter range would get you. And essentially, this is about communicating where the compromises may be on the lower end and the high level of finishes that you can expect to achieve at the upper end. As we've noted below, you do have economies of scale on larger projects. So if you're looking at smaller than 800 square meters, you should really be looking at typically a higher spend per square meter. And you can very easily restart to calculate this another way. So you can look at not having identified a space or a budget, sorry, but you have identified a space, you know the size of the square meterage, and again, we just go through typically the density, and with this, we very quickly find that on your 500 square meters at 70% occupancy, standard space type, you can accommodate 72 staff. So there's a number of ways to cut this, but essentially it's looking to answer those questions on the amount of space required and the budget required, so you can provide more detailed insights when engaging with design fit out companies. We hope you found this informative, and we invite you to watch further Ratesmiths tutorial videos at your leisure. Thank you.